Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Today is currently 4:25 and this is my second video. Not sure when you all will see this, but what I wanted to do is pretty much talk about my savings for April. So I went through, written everything out just like it is in Ally and Capital One. I noticed right here for a month ahead in Navy Federal I have, which I still have, 190, that is not right, $182.99. In Ally I have $155.65, and for Capital One I have $254. For leaders I have $3 and $4 extra in Capital One. So when we add all of that up, which I'm doing that with you now because I did not do that. So we have $182.99. And then we have 3. And then we have 4. So $597.64 is what we have all together for a month ahead. And I was shocked because I really wasn't keeping up with this until I written all of this out. So what I did on this page, I written all the bills out, and what I did was just started subtracting. So for AT&T we have $64.99, which leaves us with $532.65. Next we have Netflix, $14, subtract. Next we have Cricket, subtract. And then we have NES, which is not included in this because the $30, which I did tell you about in my previous video, is actually online. Is actually $32 and some change, but I just put $30. For car, I didn't put anything because the car is paid up until the 23rd of next month. For State Farm, we did talk about the insurance going up by $16. So what I'm going to do is subtract $254, which we have $146.65 left. And then we have 3, and then we have 4. So we have $139.65. So what I could do is put the $139.65 towards the rent. And I am going to stop this and double check to make sure everything is correct. And I believe I have a couple more dollars in the Ally account for a month ahead, but we'll see that in a different video. Okay, y'all, so I went back, double check, triple check, and I do in fact have $139.65 left. So that means that when I written this out for rent, I left out a number. So what we'll do is, hold on, let me get my white out. Okay, so I fixed it. I got my white out and I just written $139.65 for rent. And when it comes to the rent, what I want to do, because I don't know what my rent will go up from this year from $880, I would say, let's see, $880 plus, I don't know, let's add $30, so $910. So that means I need 139.65 minus 910. I need $770.35. And to get the rest for term life insurance, let me just write this right here. So this is what I wrote on the 21st, and today is the 25th, so 4/25. So we'll do rent. Let's do $771, and term life, because I already have $62 left and I need $176. $114 and we add that up, we get $885 to be a month ahead for rent and a month ahead for term life. So I'll just write that here, $885. And it's crazy that I had this much available. And what I did, I know most people just do it as a sinking fund, or, you know, set aside money when they can and whatnot. What I've been doing is, I really don't know what I've been doing. I just was setting money aside. Also, change, I set that aside. And when I round my money to the extra $1 or $5, I would set that aside as well. So the reason you see money in multiple accounts is due to Navy Federal Credit Card pays some bills. I had money in Ally. I pay State Farm with Capital One. I pay, what bill do I pay with Leaders? Google Play. Yeah, I pay that bill with Leaders. And also for being a subscriber to Chris Budgeting Just Because YouTube channel, I pay that with Capital One. So that's why you see money scattered all over the place. Also, as of today on the 26th, this right here is not accurate at all. I actually can show you the accurate information. Hold on. So I'm just flipping to the back of the planner. Wait, what was that? Okay, all of this is accurate as of the 23rd. So month ahead is where? Not written down. Hold on. So month ahead is written down. Now I need to go to my Ally account to see how much I have for that. Hold on. So I went to my Ally account, and month ahead has $156 versus $155. So that means $140 would be going to rent. And this is how everything is going to start out for the month of May. Remember, I did use money from emergency to pay my credit cards. And I'm hoping for the month of May, I will be able to save more money than spending. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day.